Today we are going to make a tender coconut moily. Karik means coconut, and here we are in the beautiful coconut lagoon and we celebrate coconut here. Now the coconut itself, the tender coconut, is known to be a natural hydrant. It's a natural hydrant which can be consumed in its original form just as a drink. See, this piece of coconut has so much value, it actually gives all the nutrient that a human body needs. So Moily is a dish which has got a lot of Portuguese influence. Portuguese, when they came to India, they wanted to eat local food. But the local food in Kerala was so hot and so spicy, they asked one person to make a dish that was a little lighter. So that person made the dish with turmeric, coconut milk, and reduced the spice of the actual spicy Kerala food. And the person who made the dish, her name was Moily, and that's how this dish became Moily. From the 16th century, it has become such a hit that it has a lot of prominence in our cooking. We will need very, very simple ingredients. Again, the ingredients that we keep on going back to. We have the coconut oil, we have the garlic, we have the ginger, we have the green chilies, the curry leaves, the shallots, the turmeric again. We use turmeric in our cooking more for the medicinal value. It also gives us a little bit of flavor and color, which with the coconut blend itself, it makes it really nice and mellow. For this, we will start, we pour some oil in a pan. That's a thick bottom pan here. We call it the urli. The urli is a dish which is made out of copper and brass. It gives a lot of value in the cooking that we have. That's what we use it. And then the oil is hot now. We're going to add some garlic. 1 part of garlic, 1 part of ginger. The same of green chilies. And then we put some curry leaves into it. We're going to saute it a little. I've got some chopped shallots which I'm going to add into this. The shallots that we are going to use is 3 times the quantity of the ginger and the garlic that we are going to use. We're going to saute it. Shallot has got this very dark color. Now when we cook the shallot till it becomes translucent. When I personally cook, I like to add my salt so that the moisture comes out of this fast. So now we have the shallots which is nicely sauteed. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of turmeric. We give it a nice stir, get a nice bright color, and I'm going to add tender coconut chunks. Here we've cut it in slivers, and it could be chunky, that's fine. Mix the tender coconut into it. Add a little bit of water because it's going to be a soupy consistency. Let it start to simmer. I've got some tender coconut paste which is kept here. So I'm going to take a ladle of that. I'm going to mix it in and give it a nice stir. Wait for it to just start to boil. Now we have our soup almost ready. I'm going to finish it off with coconut milk. I'm going to just switch it off. We do not boil the first press milk. We just stir it, and then this soup is served lukewarm. Just about when we are ready to serve this soup, we're going to pour a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix it in, and here you go. We have the tender coconut moily soup ready to be served.